While everyone is busy chasing complicated online businesses, something far simpler is quietly making people real money. There are machines on this list that turn everyday actions into cash. One folds laundry non-stop without complaining, another prints plastic into products people fight to buy, and one sits in public places collecting money all day without supervision. These are not trends, and they are not hype. These are physical machines that can be purchased today, set up quickly, and turned into income by next week. One of these machines was built by a frustrated dad who hated folding clothes, and it now helps people earn thousands every month. Another helped a teenager turn a school skill into a business generating profits every month. Most people walk past these machines every day without realizing they are automated businesses hiding in plain sight. They are not glamorous, they are not get rich quick, but they work, and the people using them are getting paid, whether they are online or not. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 1. Laundry Folding Machine. This machine turns a basic home laundry setup into a paid service business. The machine automatically folds shirts, pants, and towels consistently, saving time and allowing higher order volume. The typical setup uses a standard washer and dryer combined with the folding machine to speed up turnaround. Customers submit orders through local pickup and delivery platforms or direct booking. Revenue comes from per pound or per order pricing. Entry cost is relatively low, with machines starting around $1,000 to $3,000. Monthly income can reach $2,500 to $6,000, depending on order volume. Scaling is straightforward. Add more machines, extend service hours, or move into a small storefront. Once demand is proven, this model can expand into a full laundry facility with multiple folding units handling large daily loads. This next machine works 24/7 and collects money even when you are asleep. Number 2. 3D Printing Machine. This machine creates physical products on demand with minimal waste. The key is choosing products people already want, such as accessories, tools, or custom parts. Designs are printed automatically once files are loaded, allowing production to run unattended. Startup costs are low, with reliable machines priced around $300 to $800. Each product typically costs $2 to $5 to produce and can sell for $20 to $45, creating strong margins. Monthly profits often land between $3,000 to $20,000 with consistent sales. Scaling is simple. Add more printers, outsource printing files, or focus on bulk orders. Many operators expand by creating a brand around a specific niche instead of selling random items. Before we move to next, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 3. Laser Engraving Machine. This machine makes money through customization. The machine engraves designs onto tumblers, keychains, wood, leather, metal, and acrylic. Customers pay a premium for personalized products, making margins high. Entry-level machines cost around $2,000 to $6,000, depending on power. Products often cost $5 to $10 to produce and sell for $30 to $80. Monthly profits can range from $5,000 to $25,000. The workflow is simple. Upload a design, place the item, and let the machine engrave in minutes. Scaling happens by batching orders, adding more machines, or partnering with businesses that need bulk custom items like events, gyms, or corporate gifts. Most people walk past this machine every day and never realize it is an automated business. Number 4. Snack and beverage vending machines. This machine generates income by selling convenience automatically. Machines are placed in high-traffic locations like offices, gyms, apartments, or warehouses. Each machine operates independently, collecting payments all day. Startup costs range from $3,000 to $7,000 per machine. A well-placed unit can generate $500 to $1,500 per month in profit. Scaling is location-based. Add more machines in clustered areas to reduce refill time. Smart operators place snack and drink machines together to double revenue per stop. Over time, This business becomes semi-passive with predictable cash flow. Number 5. ATM machine. This machine earns money through transaction fees charged per withdrawal. The owner supplies the cash, and the machine collects a fee every time someone uses it. Typical startup cost per ATM is around $2,000 to $3,000 plus cash float. Each transaction generates $2 to $3, and busy locations can process hundreds of transactions monthly. One machine can earn $300 to $1,500 per month. Scaling involves securing high traffic placements and deploying multiple units. The real advantage is low labor and recurring income. Once systems are set, maintenance is minimal and profits compound as more machines are added. If this video is changing how you think about making money, gently tap the like button. It tells the algorithm to show this to more people who need to see it, and it helps me keep sharing real business ideas like these. Number 6. Water and ice vending machine. This machine sells bulk water and ice to customers who need large quantities regularly. These machines operate 24/7 and require minimal supervision. Initial investment is higher, usually $20,000 to $50,000 per machine, but margins are strong. Ice costs pennies to produce and sells for several dollars per bag. Monthly profit per machine often ranges from $2,000 to $3,000. Location determines success. Areas near fishing spots, campgrounds, or industrial zones perform best. Scaling focuses on securing prime locations and reinvesting profits into additional units. Number 7. Sewing machine. This machine turns simple fabric into high-margin physical products. The setup focuses on creating a repeatable product such as scarves, accessories, or small clothing items. Production is controlled in-house, allowing pricing power and quality consistency. Startup cost is extremely low, with machines available for $100 to $500. Material costs are minimal, often $5 to $10 per item, while finished products can sell for $40 to $120. Monthly profit potential ranges from $5,000 to six figures, depending on brand and volume. Scaling happens by standardizing designs, outsourcing, cutting, or adding multiple machines. Once demand increases, production can move from handmade batches to small-scale manufacturing while maintaining premium pricing. Number 8. Embroidery machine. This machine monetizes customization on clothing and accessories. Designs are digitized once and reused repeatedly, allowing fast production. Customers pay more for personalized hats, hoodies, bags, and uniforms. Entry-level machines cost around $300 to $2,000. A single embroidered item may cost $3 to $8 to produce and sell for $25 to $60. Monthly profits commonly reach $5,000 to $30,000. Scaling is efficient. Run multiple orders in batches, expand into bulk business clients, or add more machines. This model works especially well when paired with social media showcasing finished products. Number 9. Tufting machine. This machine creates custom rugs and wall art using yarn and backing fabric. The machine handles most of the labor, allowing fast production of large designs. Startup costs range from $300 to $1,000, making it accessible. Material costs are typically $40 to $80 per rug, while finished pieces sell for $300 to $2,000. Monthly profit potential can exceed $10,000 to six figures with consistent orders. Scaling focuses on standardizing popular designs, increasing size pricing tiers, and adding assistance for finishing work. This business benefits heavily from visual platforms that showcase the creation process. Number 10. Socks making machine. This machine produces custom socks in small or medium batches. The machine automates knitting, allowing unique designs with minimal manual labor. Production cost is low, roughly $2 per pair, while selling prices often range from $10 to $25. Entry-level machines vary widely in price, typically $5,000 to $20,000. Monthly profits commonly fall between $4,000 to $15,000, with higher margins on branded or custom runs. Scaling involves bulk orders for teams, events, or subscriptions. Once designs are locked in, production can run continuously with minimal supervision. Number 11. Balloon Stuffing Machine. This machine creates high-value event decorations for birthdays, weddings, and corporate events. The machine fills clear balloons with gifts, cash, or themed items quickly and consistently. Startup cost is low, usually $500 to $2,000. Each balloon costs $10 to $20 to produce and sells for $50 to $150. Monthly profit potential ranges from $5,000 to $12,000, with higher earnings during event seasons. Scaling is straightforward. Hire part-time help, increase local partnerships, or expand into event packages. This business benefits from local marketing and social media visibility. Every machine on this list follows the same rule. They turn simple, everyday demand into predictable income. No hype, no trends, no complicated funnels. Just machines, products, and people already willing to pay. Some of these setups start at $100, others at $2,000 or $5,000, but many of them can grow into $10,000, $20,000, even $30,000 a month when scaled correctly. And the smartest operators do not stop there. They document the process, teach others, and build additional income streams on top of the machine itself. This is not about working harder. It is about choosing systems that work even when you are not. If you found this video helpful, take a second to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking for new ways to make money. It really helps more people find these ideas and keeps this channel going strong. Thanks for watching, stay motivated, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.